Thina munene uria ukoretwo ngetheire wonjoria wa bururi ni gukorwo bururi wa Kenya uguraga indo nyingi kuma mabũrũri ma nanja gukira indo iria wendagia mabũrũri-inĩ macio. Nĩ itemine ria kurigicora thina uyu ministry ya iganda na wonjoria erikite mutaratara-ini wa kwandandura thoko mabũrũri-inĩ ma nanja na niguo gutigirira bururi wa Kenya ni wehanda wega kiwonjoria.
For instance, we have Netherlands, UK, Germany, Belgium and Italy. And then when you add USA, that completes 6 of countries in Europe and in USA. The other markets are EAC, which is Uganda, Tanzania and Rwanda.
If Kenya can be able to maintain a level of import of 9% on average, which has been actually experienced over the last 10 years, then we need to grow our exports by, as the consultant said, 20%, so that we can be able to balance and bring it to 0-0.
Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ino Chris Kipto augite ni mamukirite makiria ma sekta ithathatu iria marongoreirie kuhunguraniria thoko cia nanja na niguo kuongerera umithio guku bururi-ini.
Livestock and livestock products, number 1. Number 2 is agriculture, and there's a lot in that area, especially in the area of agricultural export commodities, horticulture and others. We have fisheries as another important sector. We believe there is great potential. Manufactured products, a lot of them, we have a lot of manufacturing products, but we believe we can do more.
We need to come up with strategies so that we make Kenya a natural source of value-added agricultural produce.
Niguo gukinyaniria muoroto uyu, ministry ino ni ubite kamite mwanya iria gutereba bururi mwerekereini uyu na niguo gutigirira gugikinyaniria mwaka wa 2020 indo iria bururi ugakorwo wendetie nja ya bururi ni ciakinyeria makiria ma gicunjĩ kia 20 harĩ igana.